Ship's not even out yet. Well, what am I gonna do, right? What is this? Got it. Okay. Cool. No ship. But check it out. I got my little Pico. Yeah, got my little Pico. He's got his own bean bag, even though he doesn't like it. I even got, you know, the subscriber couch. Got my F8C Lightning banner. Got my posters up, the C1 Spirit. And I don't know. Thinking about getting 2 more of those just to complete like a set, maybe. It's really dark in this. I'm probably gonna be here for a minute, just because I'll have to claim my ship. But I'll pay the expedition fee for it to get here quicker.